Okay, I'm back out at Shannon's. It's like the 25th. Shannon's doing final sanding on the hood and the trunk and the car. And I know you saw some pictures of this, but I want to show you up close with the camera here. Look at that beautiful two-tone. That's our B3 blue here on the outer and B7 blue here on the inner. Just look how deep and gorgeous that is. Again with the B7 blue on the inside, the B3 blue on the outside. I'm backing up here trying not to trip on anything and fall over.